This is my Generac 1800 RPM 37 kilowatt aluminum power generator. I bought the aluminum one because I live on the ocean and I didn't want to worry about the salt corrosion, so I got the aluminum model. I was concerned about the sound, so we'll do a little sound test. About 62 decibels right next to the unit. I'm going to come back 10 feet. Okay, she starts up every 10 minutes on Sunday. I have the automatic wireless control, so I can control the whole thing from my house. I have an underground LP tank underneath that fake rock, and the tubes run underneath to the unit. Let's see what the sounds look like. Standing next to the unit, 92 decibels, 10 feet away. .84 decibels, 20 feet away. .78 decibels, so that's not so bad. The unit's worked flawlessly since it was installed. There's the transfer switch. It's a pretty quiet unit. .20 feet away. .74 decibels. That's all I know. Bye-bye.